But the blades are torn apart. Oh my god.
You want a better picture?
Oh my god.
I don't mean to be a wise ass.
Oh my gosh, my god. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Alright, let's start her up. We got a few things to do today. All these beautiful lights. Yep. She needs some work, people, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Service is due. All these extra stuff are due. Oh man, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna put it on a lift. And again, thank you to these guys for helping me out. We'll put it on a lift and see if we can get this fuel thing situated, because what a drama, really. What a drama. So that there is a fan from a computer, and it's sitting on top of the module. And the reason why it's there is because the previous owner was running meth, I believe it was, and the module get too hot. So he decided to put this on here, which is a very innovative way. But he doesn't have meth anymore, or the car does not have meth anymore, so there's no need for it. So he was kindly to send me an upgraded version of that piece, which he stated was a better piece, which is here. They are called the EKP, if I'm not mistaken. I could be completely wrong there. I'll put the proper name on the bottom there. But yeah, we're going to see how this is all set up, and then we're going to replace it with the proper one. How this is set up is that the power, or the positive cable, was connected into this connecting here, and then the other side was connected to ground here clearly. And then anytime the car would start, the fan would start spinning, and then of course cooling down the module as well. So let's take that off real quick. Right, and then there should be another one right underneath, just holding that up. Seems like it's loose as well. It should be able to just pop right off as it is. And this is an Insignia computer fan. Again, very intuitive. I truly appreciate that. Cool. Now all we have to do is just pop on the new one, and then yeah, let's get the coding. Apparently this module has already been programmed towards this car, which is very interesting. So we're just gonna see if it starts. It starts. Alright, so here's what's happening. So we decided to look at the faults that's going on, because of course the check engine light is on, and I have a feeling it has to do with something with the valve cover, because the valve cover itself has actually been I think it's cracked, if I'm not mistaken. There's some oil residue right underneath some areas, but right now we're thinking that there is a possible air leak somewhere, and that's probably a high possibility of causing the mixture to lean faults, because, well, more air is going inside the system, which means that the fuel air ratio is going to be completely off. And then if that's completely off, then, well, you have mixture to lean faults. Well, that's not good. So I'm gonna take this off. Of course, we gotta take off that little MAF plug there. I kind of missed the N54, if I'm being honest, but it's okay. I'm learning the N55, so that's perfectly fine. So you guys can learn the N55 with me, and if you guys know some shit, let me know. That sensor is off, and I'm just gonna take this off as well. All right, my man's got the smoke tester. We're gonna hook it up to the inlet here, and let's see what the hell's going on with this thing. Yes, she's leaking. That is a... What is this? That air hose. Oh. That is a huge leak, my friend. I don't even know where. I have a feeling that's coming from the inlet, the turbo inlet, and that's no bueno.
Well, that would make sense why you have a leak on.
Alright, so we're taking it off now.
Don't mind the smoke.
Let's get this out of the way. Should be a little force on it.
There's no force at all.
No.
And it's probably leaking because I don't know if you saw, there's like a gap right there when you put that in.
That's fine. It's just pressure is not on the side here.
Gotcha.
You see how much?
A lot. Yeah, a lot of play there.
Yeah.
I was on the phone, heard my name, saw this. Like, this is not good. Oh wow. Oh no. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I'm seeing it now. There are some shavings on what it looks to be the thermostat. I don't know if you guys can see that. All the shavings there, so that would explain
What are we cutting?
Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna have to get some new inlets here. Maybe a new turbo.
That's perfect.
And on the block there, it's actually drilled in a much larger hole. I wonder what happened there. Bolt that we saw there, that's that there. There are no threads anywhere. I mean, like, it's not even, you can see right here that there was one started there, and clearly that didn't work. So there was the only option. There's only slight threads, only because it was forced in, and you know, it wasn't tapped or anything. So at that point, I don't even know what to say. Oops. That right there is cause of the caking of too much, or that's just pretty much too much of the sealant put on, and that's what's causing it to come off hard or put back on hard. And I don't know, are the blades kind of messed up there?
That might be just dirty.
Man, that thing is caked up.
Oh, they're
fucked. The blades are fucked. Oh my gosh, my guy. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, I need a turbo. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm hurting. This, like, I just don't even know what to say at this point. Like, I need a turbo now. Oh. Oh, hold on.
Take a breather.
My guy, I need a turbo now. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the blades are torn apart. Oh my god.
You want a better picture?
Oh my god.
I don't mean to be a wise ass.
Oh my gosh, my guy. All right, hold on. My guy, all right, look. Hold it right there. Look at the blades. Like, you cannot, you can't, that's bent. That is bent right there. Look at that. That's chewed up. Oh my gosh.
I wonder if it was those shavings that there was on the bottom.
Maybe the shavings went inside there and chewed it up. Yeah.
Exactly. They didn't have this port closed off or something, and they were.
And it just drilled it in, and then of course when we start the car, it
didn't get cleaned out.
So I wonder what the underside of the head looks like.
Come on, don't say that. Now I want to do like.
I'm sorry.
Oh, shit.
So about that bigger turbo you were talking about?
Yeah, I guess. Anybody wants to donate me a turbo? The thing about it, I got emissions next month, early next month, so we'll see. Oh, this is amazing. Just absolutely beautiful. This is, I just don't even know what to say at this point. I'm hurt. I'm really hurt right now. Alright guys, at this point, I'm just gonna cut the video. Like, I'm going home. I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm not even gonna hit boost anymore. Like, I'm just gonna go home, and I'm just gonna baby this thing, because now that I see the turbo, now that I like really see that I'm hurt in my heart, I'm hurt. I don't even know what to say. Fucking block, man.
Hold up.
Oh,
Sorry, I'm still recording, but that was funny.